Hey guys, so today we are going to see in this MS Excel tutorial how can you sum maximum, let's say n number of columns or rows from n plus 1 columns or rows. So suppose if you have, let's say here I have this 7 columns named as q1, q2, q3, q4, 5, 6 and 7, and I want maximum 5 like the score from this column, maximum 5 score and the summation of that 5 maximum scores. So how can I do that? So there are two ways to do this, using an array or using a simple mathematical calculation. So here as you can see, maximum 5 is I made a column. So just you can make a column and write it like quiz 5 max sum with. After making this column here as I made, you need to give a formula for first student, and for after that you can drag it like this. If you drag it like this, that formula will going to be in all these rows. So let's see how can you do this. So first formula as you can see here, so it is given by a sum. You need sum means you need a summation of large values from column F to L2, like F to this column to L2, and what is the range of that, like what is the number, what is the maximum number 1 to 3 to 5. I want 5 maximum from 7 columns, like this. Okay, so you just need to write equal to, either you can write here or after clicking here you can write in this dialog box of formula. So just write equal to, put sum, then bracket large means I want large value, like maximum value, from which column, so from F2 to L. So as you can see here, F to L. Now put comma, and now I am giving number of maximum values. So like I want 1 maximum value or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will close the bracket. I will close the second bracket and this black one. So as you can see, red close, black close. Now hit enter. So you can see you will get this maximum summation values, let's say of n number from n plus 1. The second formula you can see here, which is like sum product large, like the sum product is the advanced formula, large the same as the maximum from F3 to L3, row indirect, and as I use an array 1:5, I need to use this row indirect. Okay, so how to do this? Again go to like equal to sum product, then large, from where I want large, I want from F to L, like F into L3. Then here I don't put, here I need this comma. Now here I don't give the curly bracket, I want array, so I want to write row indirect and double apostrophe, and I will give 1:5. So this is an type of array. So if you have like 1 to 20 from 30 columns, if you want 1 to 20 maximum numbers, so you can do this one. And then I will close the bracket, green one, then this one, red one, and black one. Hit enter. So you will get that number, maximum summation of, let's say, n numbers from n plus 1 number. So in this way you can easily find out the position without doing any much more. So now if you drag this, you can see you will get all the summation of each row. Here it will, as you can see here, let's say these two are the minimum. So 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13 46 17. So 17. It will automatically reduce. It will automatically neglect the unfilled unfilled cell. So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, Wiseman. Thank you.